The DJI Avata 360 is officially launching on March 26, 2026. The drone features a larger but slimmer body than previous models and uses a new battery system, making old batteries incompatible. A few hands-on images shared online have offered an early look at the drone's design. The base model is reportedly listed at €459. This new flagship FPV drone is a feature 8K 360-degree video recording capabilities from larger twin 1.1-inch sensors, probably with the same specs as the DJI Osmo 360, but can also be flown as normal FPV drone. With the touch of a button, the 360 camera turns to frontal view right side up and you will be able to fly it like any other DJI drone. It marks a significant entry into the 360-degree drone market. The FCC reveals that DJI has settled on a 38.67 Wh battery for a circa 22% energy increase over the Avata 2. The Avata 360 is tipped to officially weigh less than 250 grams. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.